Morning, YouTube people. This is Dave with Lost Farms Homestead, and we're out here again on the property. We're gonna be working on the sandbag structure again, and we got breakfast set up across here, and we're getting ready to get some work done. Black rifle again. We're using Liberty this morning. I believe they have some kind of a special going on right now where if you buy a bag, they send a bag out to the troops. Something like that. Check me on it. It's also going to be a dated thing, so to my knowledge, it's happening right now. It might not be anymore, so, or whenever you view this. So double check that. Anyways, Liberty, good stuff. So, yeah, we're going to get set up here, and I'm about to start setting everything up, and then we're going to go do some work. And, yeah, so stick around. Alright, so we're out here right now. We're at the sandbag house. We're going to get this going on right now, so I'll let you know where we left it off at. Yeah, because it was pretty dark last time we were in here. So this is the doorway that we added next to the bathroom area right here. This is all going to be bathroom. And you can see where the shower is right here. This is going to be the shower, and it's enclosed with the bottle wall like that. And then this goes around like this, wave, and around, and like this, wave again. And this is the box for the vertical window that goes in the middle, like directly in the middle of this wall. There's the window right there. That'll be kind of a hallway going through there. And then this goes around, and we have the door frame for the slider in the front. And we've been actually looking at some Arcadia doors. We might actually put a two swing and like a double swing door there if we can get one for a decent price. So, and then it comes around this way and back. So this is where we're at right now. And we've got the electrical boxes in, and there's one there, and one over there, and on the end, and then over here by this. So you can see the electrical boxes. So we're gonna get this going here, and I apologize for my nose. My allergies are really bad right now. It's holy cow pollen time right now.
Is that a technical term?
Yes, holy cow pollen time is a term. It's a scientific term. So Hope is gonna get the barbed wire going across the top here, and she's running the barbed wire through here, and she's gonna pick it up right there. And we actually picked up these staples. Where's those staples at? Here we go. We picked up some staples. These are actually like landscape staples to hold down a weed barrier, and we found a place where we got a box of 100 of them for real inexpensive, and we've been using them to hold down the barbed wire like this. You got one in there?
I have one on the other side.
Okay. Yes, like this. And these normally go in all the way, but these bags have been sitting here for a week, so they've been rained on and packed down really hard, so it's kind of hard to push these in right now. But when we get the regular ones, where we just tamp them down, the staples go right into them real easy, and it works very well to hold down the barbed wire. So she's going to run the barbed wire right now, and then I'm going to set up and start filling the bags in the bag table that we made, the filler. And I'm going to start bagging those and putting them off to the side. And once she gets the barbed wire strung through here, she's going to start grabbing bags and throwing them up. And then whenever she catches up to me, I'll stop for a moment and go pound them and then come back and bag some more. So that's where we're at right now. I'm going to set this thing up and we'll get it going. So keep watching. hot. No doubt. Alright, so that's where I'm wearing thermal in the middle of this heat. It was supposed to rain today.
It is wet. It's not that bright.
Yeah, that's not rain wet. That's.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is where we're at. I don't know how well you can see that. We're kind of still cleaning up a little, but I wanted to get some clothes out before we leave. So this is where we're at. I'll go around to the front, but this right here, we put in the windows, and we just cleated the one side on either side and put a bag there just to hold it in place with the additional braces. It shouldn't go anywhere, I don't think. And this is that big 2x6 vertical in the middle, and then the two side ones are 3x5. And we did the same. We got the cleats with the one bag on either side. So if I come through here, wind. Sorry about the wind. All right. So, and you can also see we've got the floor kind of somewhat dug out, and over here. So this is looking at the side of it. You can see where we got it all built up right here. And so this is going to be the main area right here, this area, and then there will be a window right here and the main door right here. And when you come through, this will be a hallway right here, and in the middle of the hallway is going to be the big 2x6 right here, and then it continues. Whoa, watch out for bracing. It continues into this room here, and then this will be the sleeping area right here, and there's the cooling tube right there in the corner, in the corner. And then right here along this wall, kind of higher up, I don't know about up in this area, we're going to put that other 2x6 horizontally there. And then you can see where this goes to the gate right there. That's going to be the garden gate. And I've got a hole going in the trench right there for the other wall that's going to continue. And then this comes through here, and so that'll be the hallway. And then this door right here will open into the bathroom, and that little section right there is going to be bottle wall right there. And so when you come in here, this will be the bathroom area, and that's going to be all enclosed. I'm going to put a composting toilet here in this end, and then on the other side here, we just picked up a sink and a cabinet that's going to go there, so it'll have a sink. And then this is going to be the shower, and we got that a little more cleaned out. We're still working on all that, but we did add some more bottle wall here. So yeah, we added 4 rows. If you look, you can see where it's darker on top, and then the older stuff is lighter on the bottom. So, but we're gonna finish that all the way up, and then that'll go into everything up on the roof. So that's kind of where we're at right now, and I'm gonna close it out right now. I'll get you a good overview real quick. I need to watch out so I don't fall over anything. Okay, so this is kind of an overview of the site right now, and I think it's looking pretty good. I mean, we got a ways to go on it still, but I think we're making pretty good progress. So I think we're on like day 7 right now, day 7 or day 8. If we were able to actually have some time out here where we were actually just only working on this and not doing everything else or dealing with all the other stuff, if we had just some time to just work on this, I think we could get it done pretty quickly. So, but we're working around work and weekends and kids' schedules and every other thing. So there's a lot of other stuff. I mean, life, you know. So we're just kind of working around life and trying to get as much done as we can whenever we have the time. So, but anyways, that's where we're at. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Thanks.